a unit. Send her a big ball out there, right? Come on, you got coverage? Throw and go. Yeah, good switch. Outside. Come on, Hannah. Shoot!
Kenzie, way to be there. Ava, let's plant our foot and be a little more direct to the ball, okay? You're kind of running in these arcs.
Lila, give me that good corner ball, right?
Get there, Ava, get there!
Get it,
Ava! Ava, that's what I'm talking about. Straight to it. You'll beat him to it.
Get on the chalk.
Lila.
It's direct.
Stretch, Ava.
Adiar, get up. Yep, fill that void. There you go. Always happens. Flag.
Ava, right there. Ava, you collect the ball when it pops out, okay?
Naomi, hands up!
Hannah!
Hannah White! As soon as that ball's kicked, you're defending the kicker, right? Don't stand and watch.
Let's go, Black. Look up.
He dropped it. Wide!
Good!
Get there!
Go, nice ball! Good!
Ava, great ball! Hannah, way to get there!
Adiar. Come a little. There we go. Anything comes back out, you gotta make sure you're running towards them, okay? Get it, Hannah, come on! There we go. Good.
Get. Pressure!
Good ball! Look out. Keep playing it, girls, guys. Got it, go.
Wingers, get back!
Lila back! Lila, number 40.
Guys, go, Ken. Keep it coming. Go, Hannah. Yeah, that's a good split. Good split.
Ava, get there!
Adiar, get up. Let's steer. Hannah.
Man on!
Ava.
Now!
Too many touches.
Help her.
Hard defense. Don't let them dribble out of the back, okay? Keep it up.
Come on, Kenzie! Lila, you gotta get back and help! Go, Addie!
So you see what's being
Hey, Addie, you gotta go first, and if
Hey,
Kylie's
Ava.
beat, you gotta go right to ball and let her
Ava.
cross you, okay?
The 50-50 balls, let's beat them there. Run through it, okay? Be strong.
Go back on the boards.
Recovery. Coming.
Good.
Good. Go.
I got it.
Good job, Hannah.
I see you. Don't be there, get there.
Hit it. Didn't get a foot on it, Ava.
Eddie, get back!
Way to get something on it, Addie.
Addie, go!
Outside, Ava.
Good ball. Nice. Just touch ahead if you can.
Nope, and go to goal.
Good. Go, Eva! Come on, Eva. Shoot in there, Kenzie. Oh, yeah. Cuts. All right. Okay, way to be there.
Ava, be strong through that.
Go.
Oh, too much.
That's all right.
All right. Good idea, Ava. Good job. Eyes and hips. Hey, Addie, you left the entire center open right
Good
there.
black,
Kenzie,
good
drop.
black. It's good.
Start dropping a little.
Watch outside, man.
No offsides
Ava.
on the throw in, baby.
Get goal side. Ava, goal side now.
Again.
Hey, back up, Lila. Wait,
Tap out.
Hannah. Hannah, tell her you're there.
Hey, Hannah White's there, or Hannah M. Jones.
Hannah McClellan, you gotta talk a little bit. Tell her you're there. Ava, there you go. Hannah White, you gotta get back.
Go. Let her play you. Come on, Rain.
Hannah White, drop. Rain, hold.
What are you doing?
She's ready to go.
Give me a yellow card.
Ava, Center. That's good. Oh, you guys cannot power. All right, now push up, Ava.
Kenzie.
Lila, if we're going to brace for a header, we got to make contact, okay? We can't close our eyes.
Outside back.
Hey, good goal. Way to be there.
Come on, Ava.
Oh, you gotta get it.
Go, Hannah.
Now, play it.
Good.
Go,
Nice
go,
ball.
go, go,
Touch
beat
it,
it,
Kevin.
beat it,
Touch
beat it.
it.
Play her again.
All right.
Oh.
Easier to be on the chalk and chase a ball this way than to chase a ball this way, right? That's why we get well. All right, you're going to go in for Lila. She's outside back. She needs a break.
Lila behind you.
Somebody step. Not really Lila's job. Ava, this is your ball.
Let's go!
It's your ball. Ava, let's get this one.
I need a serve.
Play the bounce. Yep, that's not the bounce.
Good.
There you go, go, go! Go in the middle for her, Hannah. I would have never done that.
Hey, push through. Don't watch.
Go ahead.
Lila, Lila out.
Lila, come on.
Lila, that was. I need you to go back in though, so you gotta catch your breath.
Hey, let's go! You gotta predict the play. You're letting them receive and then committing. Let's go!
Next time. I know. That's all right.
Every time. Do not let them touch the ball first. Ladies, let's go!
Put it in the ball and you drive. You know how hard it is. You gotta be in the back of the net for the
I was gonna leave this well. I haven't saw one. Hey, we got two!
Ava,
Mackenzie, two!
no, Ava. Your ball, Ava, your ball.
Coming. Come on, Addie! Good.
Man.
Can we get it outside, please, ladies?
Clean it up.
Right away!
Ava.
Hey,
Ava.
Naomi!
Field real hard.
No,
Okay?
rush to the goal,
Hey.
pick up the ball. We have numbers, okay? Get it out as quickly as possible.
Watch behind you. 110, say.
Rush it!
I'm not yelling at you, okay? Look at me. The field's hard. Play the bounce. If they're going to try to get it on the fly, you do it. Otherwise, play the bounce. You're fine.
Good. Can we switch it? Good switch.
Nice play. Get there, Ava. Get there.
Good try. Uniform, ladies. Hannah White, good
Ava, way to
switch.
get
That was a
there,
great
clean
ball,
it up.
Hannah.
Good.
Defensive center mid. I need you to stay
guys got
back.
pressure.
Center, okay? Good. Composure.
Keep going.
Hannah White, I need you to get in it. Come on. Apparently this is a natural arm position.
Ava.
Oh yeah, stay on side. Addie, pressure, no!
Ava, you control that space.
Addie, push up.
Turn and look.
Push up. Good. Hannah, come on, you got that. Coming on.
Good, good.
Do it.
Now it's out.
Hey, Addie,
Hey, Ava.
don't go behind her if she's offsides. Let her offside,
Hey,
right?
you don't feel that pressure?
Okay.
Back
Take a
there,
peek,
she was
stand,
off.
see where
She
they're
was
at.
standing
You
at
might
the
get a
post.
full
Turn you play here, or you go go, okay? You're doing fine. We can't have you getting upset just because we're
Win this
coaching you,
ball,
okay?
White.
Good.
Hear me out.
Naomi, come on. You got to come off that line. Come on.
Ava, follow her 10 yards. Right there. Right there. Ava, pick her up for the kick. Ava, 28. 28.
Hannah White, you need to mark.
Ava, if she puts an elbow into your back, do it back. We don't play that way. That's
Naomi,
it.
Naomi, you got to
Now
get
that's
big
working.
and take those balls away, okay?
Ava, you
Come
gotta
on.
fight her to get goal side. Don't let her control it. Be physical. Now, Ava. There you go. All right, Ava. Ava.
Make sure you crash, White. Do not watch this.
Clean up the rebound and get it out. Ava.
Good finish.
Ava. Be physical.
Hannah,
They're being physical. It's okay.
1v1, whole way in, walk it.
He's always pulling the first. I don't learn my
back. Offsides. There we go. Good job, D.
Ava. Ava and Hannah. That ball's wet and bouncing, right? Let's intercept it. Don't wait for it to get to them. Beat them to the ball, okay? Same with you, right? I don't know where you're going to go back there. But we're wet. Field's being right? Okay? I'll just let that ball roll. chance.
Good.
Yes, go, Peyton, go.
Yep, here's your punt. Step up! Get up! Go, buddy! Hey, you guys let them walk it in. You wait for them to receive and then you catch it up. I need you on the back right away. Defense has got to get up. Kylie, what are you doing? Get up. I'm talking. Move.
So
Move
Ava.
to your mark. Good. Lila, look over your shoulder.
Hannah, do you have a mark? Get a mark, Hannah.
Let's go, play, play.
Get it, Ava, get it.
Yes. Yes, Jay. Naomi.
Hannah White, get up. Lila, get up. Okay. Kenzie, let's go. Turn a bird. Good.
Get it out, get it out.
Good.
Get ready to run, Ava, get ready to run. Hey, Hannah.
Stop yelling my name. Down.
Eyes and hips.
Guys, one, talk. Take it up.
Oh, unlucky. We're not even playing the ball.
Lila, you can't mess around in there. It's touch clear. That's not a dribble position, okay?
Ava, that was
you got
Ava,
three
that was
girls
great.
on here.
Keep that up, okay? Fight through it. You're fine.
Lila, get to the side and help out. Get in the middle.
Now, Ava, step.
Ava, get up. Ava, get up. Rain, back away. Keep it coming. Wide, wide, wide. Get there, Ava, get there.
Hey, Ava.
Sub.
Yes. Hey, Ava, you can make a run to the corner flag for her. Don't stand in the middle behind where she can't see anybody. Tell her flag and let her, okay, make the run outside. Go, Addie, good. Flag, flag. Oh.
Go, Ava, go.
Hey, you guys need to talk. Bunch of
Run,
run on to her. Not
Play, play.
Come on, Ava. Hey.
Oh.
Look at me. They,
Whoa,
look at me.
that was like an extension of the. Well, it's been a lot on the back.
You can be more focused. Do not let them push you.
Conversation is to the back.
Look at Ava.
Seriously. As soon as they touch you, just sprawl out.
Out. Physical, put it back.
Body surface.
You got it. I can do it. I don't want to see dainty Lila. I want to see powerful Lila. Okay? Get out there and keep playing.
Oh my goodness. Come on, come on, come on.
Nice ball.
Oh, all right. Good try.
Get it. Beat her.
Good.
Cover.
Go. Down.
Right on the
Go
hip.
down.
Come on, stay on her hip. Stay on her hip.
Corner.
Still in. It's still
Still in.
Let's go. Play the ball.
Down here.
Stop. Ava. Lila, don't be off sides. Move side to side. Get out of the middle.
Hey, they're being silly.
Hey, ball's on this side. Hannah White, what are you doing? Good. Right heel, Chalk. Now. Numbers up. Let's go.
All right, Lila. Play it, Lila. Play it.
Good. Good ball.
Don't stop, Lila. Lila, give up. Move up.
Just play.
Okay,
What happened?
Hannah. Shake it off, Hannah.
Hannah White, let's go.
Watch those hands.
Go through it. Addie R, you got one behind you. Come on. Now, Addie. Push up. Lila! Now she's playing offensive center mid. What is she doing? Okay, well, let's put that ball. Good.
Corner.
Good.
Keep going.
Oh, left-footed cross. Yawn.
Nice thought.
Lila, get up. Lila!
Go. Throw it.
Nothing. Play.
Come on, Kylie, you gotta do that better. Let's go.
No, baby.
Kylie, you got it. Oh, you're standing back as soon as she turns. Then you're ready. Let's go.
Hey, who had a mark in the center there? Who was marking that?
Rain. Don't fall.
That's why we find our mark and we stay with them, guys. You got it.
Get wide, Rain. Now. Wide, not up. obstruction.
Lila! Lila! You are the striker. You got to keep
Hannah
pushing
M.
forward.
Hannah M, take that. Rain! Rain, get up on the post. Come on. Lila! Get in the front of the net!
Why do we have one girl to 6 of theirs?
He said it was indirect. I thought this morning it was direct for theirs.
I missed that whole play.
Pretty sure didn't he call it a direct the first time? Yeah. And now it's an indirect? Yeah. How does that work? It is a direct for them. Anything that ends in ing is a direct. So obstructing.
Lila, attack!
Kylie, where's your mark? Look at 2. Get tucked in on 2. Kylie, you gotta adjust to the offsides. Let's go. Up! Get up! Run out of the back!
Go! Lila to goal! Now.
Good.
Man coming. Good job, Rain. Keep going. Keep fighting.
Slaughter ball. Right here. Hey, Lila.
Hey, Addie.
Striker, remember you
We're
want to
doing
play
that.
it all the time.
Go
I'm
ahead,
giving you
Addie.
the
Play,
go.
play.
Get up on top of the last defender.
Good, White. Yep, good. Correct.
Get open!
Go.
Lila, come on. Keep going, Addie. Keep going. Oh, keep going. Quickly.
White, you want to sub, coach?
Yeah. Lila, come on. We play ball at some point.
Sandy, make a run.
Get out of the middle and help. Come on. What are you doing?
Again. Rain, not too early.
This way.
I know you were playing hold our sheet. So that's why we were yelling it up. And also, that's what I can do. DASC. You can first touch curl up on it, and then you got like 2 steps to make sure. It doesn't matter.
Adiar, get up.
You're probably starting to float more.
Kylie, get tucked in. There's no reason to be out here. Get inside 2 and 5. Kylie, you are on the outside hip. I need you between the 2 girls. Stop marking man to man. There!
Nobody is moving. Come on.
Naomi, get it! Naomi, get
Rain, come on out.
Lila, make sure you're marking.
Good ball.
Oh, look, man coming.
Yes!
Why are we going back to the middle then?
You got me, you're like defensive job. You gotta fix yourself, okay?
Stop going just too deep. Understand, most of the hits go to the line.
Also the other side of the field. Why, probably can.
Defense, get out! Get up! Defense up!
Go, Addie, get wide.
Play it.
Go, Hannah.
Play it. Ava.
Get north, Ava. Almost. Hannah, good look. Hannah, that was a great look. Stop walking backwards, ladies. Get up! Nice ball. Kylie, get up.
Go, 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 go!
Get up. Get
Get
up.
there, Addie. Get there.
Walking sideways.
Time.
Good hustle.
I need you to push him up and get him offside.
Go down, Jade.
Come on, Hannah, get back. Hannah, get back, Hannah. Right there, Hannah. Right there. You're good. Not much. Right there.
Go!
Out, out, out!
Good job, Naomi.
Find your mark. Hey, goal side.
Get Ava. Move.
Push on! Clear it, Addie!
There's nobody to clear to. You guys are walking out the back. Get up!
Ava, move!
Julia, watch her! Watch more!
That's a great shot.
Yes!
Oh. There we go.
Come on.
Come on, he said yes.
Kylie!
Hey, stay inside, Rain.
Ava, in front of the
Right there.
kick, intercept it.
You're okay.
In front of it.
She's rubbed her head. Corinne, you're fine.
Shot! Oh,
Hannah.
got a touch.
You're okay. Walk it off.
Oh.
Oh!
You got
Get it right back in there.
Good job, Addie. Stick with it.
Go!
Get up! Get there. Addie, you're fine.
Get there, Ava, get there. get back to striker.
Tyler, go in for Lila.
When did you come?
What's Lila? Defensive center. No obstruction there. I can't.
Outside.
What?
Go, Addie! Rain, you're too
Play
far
it
up.
quicker.
There you go. Everybody smushed it in. Addie R, look where you are! Addie R, look where you are! If you could find like somebody to pass to or pass to Steve, I would be ecstatic. Oh my goodness.
Outside left.
Addie, play through it.
Oh!
Addie, faster! Right away! Push up! Lila, get up!
Go!
Lila,
Win the
get
battle.
up!
Go, Ava,
Go.
go!
All the way!
Hold the ball!
Who wants to score?
You're fine. You need to breathe. Are you good? Slow. Yes, she is. She's fine.
Ava, let's be tough.
I
Go
need
to
you
goal.
get out
Go
of
to
the
goal.
back.
Go to
You're
goal.
walking out.
You own the
Oh,
box.
yeah.
Let's go.
He needs some offense. Why are you coming back here? Get up.
Addie.
There.
There we go.
Take
One
it.
more over.
Talk.
There we go.
On. Good fight. Good fight, Hannah. Come on. Come on, touch.
Shoot it. I don't have that time to. Wow. Is he
It's
lying?
right in the back. I'm going to get fouled.
You're fine. Breathe slow.
Lila!
Rain. Listen. Stay tucked in. There's no sense covering when nobody's here. Get in towards 10. Yeah, keep going. In the middle of the field. There we go. We don't need you out here.
Come on, Addie! Rain, give her someone.
Good job, Addison.
Got.
Addie, slow. Well, take a break.
Great.
I can't remember last time. You dog it. What do you mean? Well, I'm like, get up.
Ava, get a foot on it.
Can I play? Outside.
Get
3 years, I think I've watched this sport.
it out.
Tackle good. Good.
Good job, Addie.
Line.
Rain, get
yeah,
up.
move.
Rain, get up.
One touch and
Addie,
pass.
Addie.
One touch and pass.
Pete, Pete.
They're locked arms.
Nice.
Hey, you gotta get out of the back, right? Don't ball watch.
Ava,
Get out of the back.
I need you to be strong. Direct to the ball. Touch shot. Let's go.
She's off. Coming
There
back.
you go. Come on.
Offside.
Ava, let's
Keep
do
it
it
up.
now. Right now. Come on.
Right there. Let it. White kick. Offside.
All right, who's going to be an option for her?
Rain, you gotta jump back. Nobody's here to be an option.
No, she can't kick it that far.
Jade, back.
Outside.
You got it,
Now,
Addie.
pass now.
Get out of the way.
Pass.
There we go. Right in. Oh, good try. I saw you try. Good job, Addie. You're good.
Go,
Run,
go,
Send, Addie.
go.
Addie, great try. We had so much action down on this side.
Rain ball. Don't quit. Keep playing.
Go, Addie.
Addie, you gotta get rid of it.
Three girls.
All right, now get up,
Go,
get
go,
up,
go,
get
go.
up.
Go.
Addie, tell her you're there.
Push up. Addie, get up. Addie, get up right away.
Send it.
Tackle.
Darby, watch your back. Back outside.
Hit up.
Go, Addie.
Send it.
Lila, you gotta send.
Send it. Get it up there.
Hey, win it back.
Play, play.
Now, go. Crack. Crack.
Goal.
Mackenzie, there's nobody over there.
Ava, get in front of it. Do it again. Do it again.
Go, go, go. That's going to stay. It's going to stay in.
Ava, get in position.
No.
Let's beat him to the ball. Let's go.
You got it, Kenzie, get up! Lila! Get back there. Lila, you can't walk behind the line. Lila, you cannot hold them all on side. You've got to get up when I say up. Stop walking back. Get up on your mark, Lila. All the way up. Get up. Addie, get up. Addie, you cannot walk out of the back. I need you up. Get up. Lila, get back now. Lila, get back. Good job, Addie. Lila. You said you're not tired, but I didn't see you running. Let's go.
Go side, Carly.
Get up! Get up!
Go, go. You got space. Come on. Keep going. Pass. There you go. Who's there? Who is there? Fill it up and shoot. Shot.
Ava, keep battling.
Give it up.
Good, Ava. Get back in the play. Get back in the play.
Back to her.
Right, no.
Sakes, what are you doing?
Freaking three on you.
Go, Addie!
You Addie, gotta get back.
Hannah! You had Hannah! Just dig in that play! What are we doing?
Hannah White, drop back, be an option on this kick, okay?
I thought it was going to be fun today.
Ava, find a run, find a run.
Step up!
Get to the peak.
Goal kick.
Lila, you okay?
Coach, you subbing?
Yeah.
Addie!
You alright?
Ava, you got to get there for that cross, okay? Sprint hard. I know you're tired.
You good? How much time we got? I think it was like once we got towards Thursday.
White.
Quick.
Quick.
Make this happen. Pass. Let's stop kicking
Pass.
it, White. Solid passes.
Good.
Come on, Ray!
It's gonna be a real shot.
You got to get in there.
Drop the Kylie. You have to. Drop the Kylie. Kylie, hustle back.